Hey guys, so alternator on my 01 F350 Power Stroke here went out last night. So I'm going to show you how to change that. This is the 7.3 Turbo Diesel. First things first, unhook your batteries here and over here. Got the charger on the side here. Next thing you can do is pull this cap off here. There's a little push button in the back, and then unhook the main power wire there. That's just a 10mm nut on the back. Simple enough there. So then you need to unhook the belt. The way you do that, you take your, I'm going to use my 1/2-inch breaker bar and look down in here, and the tensioner is this guy right here. It's kind of got a dual pulley thing going on, and you'll notice there's a square hole right here. It's 1/2 inch, and you can just take your breaker bar there. Kind of hard to do one-handed here, but let's see what I can do. Get your breaker bar in there. Get some leverage here. It's going to be pretty difficult to do one-handed. There we go. And the belt is off. So make sure when you're doing that, don't get your fingers underneath the belt or anything between any pulleys, where if you slip on the tensioner, it could really pinch and hurt your fingers pretty bad. So make sure you're being careful in that respect. Next thing you'll have to do, 13mm these three here. Already loosened them up. Just take them out real quick. Once those are out, you'll be good to put your other one back in. So, if you got any questions or anything, comment below, and I'll do my best to answer those if I can. And feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Subscriptions really help me out. With that, thanks for watching, and have a good one, guys.